Hello students, I am your Shushmita ma'am. Today I'll discuss about a very important and most urgent topic, that is the weathering and soil formation. Okay student? So student, we know that the earth can be divided into different rims or zones which are called spheres. The lithosphere, sphere of rock. So lithosphere consists of rocks. Okay? And the hydrosphere, sphere of water. Okay? Hydrosphere, sphere of water. And the atmosphere is sphere of air. And the parts of the spheres in which life exists is known as the biosphere. So, student, in this diagram, we can see that the common part of hydrosphere and lithosphere and atmosphere is biosphere, where life exists. Okay? Lithosphere, the uppermost solid layer of the earth formed of rocks and soil is known as lithosphere. Okay student? So student, in this diagram you can see that the uppermost solid layer of the earth, which consists of rocks, land, it is known as crust or lithosphere. So student, lithos in Greek means rock. Lithos means Greek means rock. Okay, lithos comes from Greek word and it means what? Rock. Okay. So, student, how soil is formed. So, when this type of rock disintegrated and finally mixed with organic matter, it converts into soil. Okay, I hope it is clear to you how soil is formed. Okay, so next topic, out of the total area of the lithosphere, about 71% consists of ocean floor. Okay, so student, in this picture you can see that this is lithosphere, and in this lithosphere 71% consists ocean floors and 29% consists land masses which rise the surface of water. Okay, so student, the 29% of the land rise just above the surface of water. Next, interior of the earth. The earth is a huge sphere with a radius about 6,400 km. So, what is radius? When we draw a line from a center of the circle to any portion, any part of the circle, it is known as radius. So, what is the radius of what? Exactly, you are right, 6,400 km. Okay? So student, the earth consists of three concentric layers, the crust, the mantle and the core. We can compare the earth with a onion. Okay. So student, this is onion and we can compare the onion with the earth. So when we cut this onion, we can see that onion consists different kinds of layer. Okay. So, we can say that the uppermost layer of the onion is crust, then crust, then it consists upper mantle, lower mantle and core. Okay. So, we will elaborately discuss about crust, mantle and the core. So student, you know that the uppermost layer of the lithosphere is known as the crust. Okay, the crust is very thin with an average thickness of about 35 km. We could think of the earth as an egg. Okay, so student, we can think the earth as an egg. We can compare the earth with an egg. How we can compare the earth with an egg? So, student, this is the uppermost or outermost part of the egg. Outermost parts of the egg, or it is the shell of an egg. So, when we will break the egg, we will get yolk portion and white portion of an egg. Okay, so we can compare the earth with different kinds of things like egg, like onion. Okay, so now we will go for next topic. And however, the crust is not uniformly thick of all places. So you can see that the crust is not uniformly thick all the places. So you can see this in this diagram. This man is thick and this man is thin. Okay, so in this diagram you can see that the ocean's floors is thick 8 kilometer and continents thick 40 kilometer and ocean floor thick 8 kilometer. Okay, the surface of the crust is quite uneven and has different landform. Its highest point is Mount Everest, which height is 8,848 kilometer, and the most deepest portion of the earth just lies below the Pacific Ocean. The name of this place is Mariana Trench. Okay, and the Mariana Trench is 11,000 meters below the sea level. Now we will go for next topic in our next video. So thank you students for today. Bye bye students.